my friends. I'm Ayoub and this is my friend Arnoub.
Hi friends!
Today we are going to learn the multiplication table of number 6. Are you ready?
Yes!
Before we start, make sure to join our WhatsApp channel so you never miss any of our new videos. And now let's begin. 6 times 1 equals 6. Let's repeat it together. Can you say it by yourself? You have 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. 6 times 1 equals
It's 6!
Great job! Now let's move to the next one. 6 times 2 equals 12. Let's repeat it again. Can you find the answer? 6 times 2 equals
12!
Excellent! Now, next one. 6 times 3 equals 18. Let's try again. 6 times 3 equals
18!
Wonderful! Let's continue. 6 times 4 equals 24. Can you see it along this time? 6 times 4 equals
24!
Amazing! Now the next one. 6 times 5 equals 30. Let's repeat it again. 6 times 5 equals
30!
Good job! Let's move on. 6 times 6 equals 36. Let's repeat it again. 6 times 6 equals
36!
Perfect! Next one. 6 times 7 equals 42. Let's see it again. 6 times 7 equals
42!
You're doing great! Good job! Now let's continue. 6 times 8 equals 48. Can you remember it? 6 times 8 equals
48!
Fantastic! And finally, 6 times 9 equals 54. Let's repeat it one more time. 6 times 9 equals
54!
Great job, friends! Now we are going to review the multiplication table of the number 6 from 1 to 9. But this time, try to find the answer on your own to see if you remember them. You will have 5 seconds to think before we reveal the result. Let's start. 6 times 1 equals
It's 6.
Great job! Now, let's move to the next one. 6 times 2 equals
12.
Excellent! Now, next one. 6 times 3 equals
It's 18.
Wonderful! Let's continue. 6 times 4 equals
24.
Amazing! Now, the next one. 6 times 5 equals
30.
Good job! Let's move on. 6 times 6 equals
36.
Perfect! Next one. 6 times 7 equals
42.
You're doing great! Good job! Now, let's continue. 6 times 8 equals
48.
Fantastic! And finally, 6 times 9 equals
It's 54.
Good job, everyone! We hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new video.
See you soon, friends. Stay safe and take care.